Alright, everyone, this is what I carry for my EDC. I carry a thing of Purell. I usually carry a big thing of Germ-X, but, time to light. This 5-function whistle compass thing. Of course, my, lighter caddy with the lighter. A Swiss Army knife, a old-timer, a Schrade old-timer scout knife. Yes, the thing fell off, but honestly, it's been working really good. A cheapo Master Barlow with, I'm doing it with one hand, so I'm trying not to, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second. But it has God Bless America. And it says, okay, it says the land of the free and home of the brave. Pretty nice, huh? And yes, it is sharp as crap. My keys for, whatever, and my car key. With paracord and all that. By the way, I must say, if you do a $10 survival challenge, or survival challenge $20, to say, go to Dollar General. They usually have a 3-pack for $2.50. Yeah, the same. Anyway, I want to do a survival kit. Oh, I also have a... Oh, and it's on my book bag. Is that? I also carry... Oh, I just bring it here. And yes, I do carry these two basic first aid kits. Okay? So I'm trying to do a pocket-only survival kit. So yeah. Y'all have any suggestions? What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this, because it has a saw on it. I'm going to keep this definitely, because if I lose one of my knives, I have another knife. Yes, it is engraved. That represents my Vehicle Life channel. Hello Soul Vehicle Life. If y'all want, link will be in the description. So yeah. One thing I'm definitely going to do is I'm going to trade this out for my bigger hand sanitizer. I'm gonna keep this because it has a little fill rod on it. This definitely, because this is actually very handy. I could get rid of this, but it's been with me for a while. You see, I do have a little bit of cordage with a fill rod right there. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna keep these because these are very important to have. This has bite and sting stuff in it, I believe. Of course, so does this one. Oh, and this is what I'm currently reading. Manager also hip hop, or pop music, and the law with the 50th law. Yes, I do music. So anyway, any suggestions? I'm thinking I could get rid of this knife because this has the stuff of this, and I could keep this one. I would keep 2 knives. 2 as 1 was none. This one has a saw on it, of course. It's the Evolution 23. I'm definitely keeping this one because this one's actually useful, and this is loud as heck. And I have matches in here, so I don't really need a ferro rod with me, Since I carry a lighter or 2 with me. Oh my god, yeah. By the way, do y'all like my lighter I chose? Anyway, y'all. Peace.